heartbeat feels like a brand new throne. I'm glowing, golden, untouchable, and open, a king of every thought I've ever owned. I'm flying reckless, burning brighter than the rest. Nothing scares me when I'm blessed like this. But then I crash and the sky caves in. One small slip and I'm breaking again. Falling hard in the sheets that swallow me whole. Watching all my dreams lose their color and glow. I'm rising too high, then drowning too low. Resetting again, resetting again. Somehow I still feel good. A spark of gratitude hits like a flare, pulls me from the shadows I was buried in. But one forgotten thought drags me back to nowhere, and I'm hiding from the daylight again. I'm quiet, frozen, moving slow inside my head, but joy finds me in memories I thought were dead. And I crash and the sky caves in. One small slip and I'm breaking again. Falling hard in the sheets that swallow me whole. Watching all my goals lose their color and glow. I'm rising too high, then drowning too low. Resetting again, resetting again. Somehow I still feel good. Am I stuck or spinning out of control? Chasing highs that tear apart my soul. They say breathe, they say calm the tide, but the storm feels like it's coming from inside. Still I crash, but I rise again. Every fall is a place I've already been. I'm breaking apart to start again. And somehow I still feel good. Yeah, yeah. And somehow